Hey guys, this is Jeff with Mac Haik Hyundai in Victoria. Today we're going to be going over your steering wheel controls on your brand new 2025 Ford Explorer. So starting over here on the left side, your upper buttons here are going to be your cruise control settings. This one's actually equipped with the adaptive cruise control. So a really nice feature there. You set it like any other cruise control, but what it does, if someone's in front of you, it'll actually slow down and keep you at a set distance. And then as soon as they move out of the way or you move out of the way, it'll pick you back up to your set speed. So that's going to be your adaptive cruise there, your lane keeping. And then below right here, you're going to have your volume knobs or your volume buttons. So you can adjust your volume right there on your radio, as well as a mute button. And then on your right side, you're going to have your instrument cluster buttons. So from there, you can actually scroll through your trip meters, vehicle information, fuel economy. Once your phone's paired, you can even pull up your contacts, your recent calls, and start a call right there on your screen. And then on the bottom part of this side, you're gonna have your skip for your radio, or also your answer and decline, as well as your voice command. So if you hit that, it'll initiate any kind of voice commands with your Ford system, or even if you hold it, that'll go into like your Siri or your Google Assistant from your smartphones there. And then also, as you see back here on the back side of your steering wheel, you do have the paddle shifters. So that just gives you a fun driving style there. You know, it's like standard without the clutch. So if you're just driving out, want to have a little fun, you can shift right there. Again, if y'all have any questions, just feel free to stop by and ask us, or give us a call at 361-576-1221.